Hey lovely people, I hope you guys are all doing well. Today in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be dyeing my eyebrows today. Yes, I'm going to be dyeing my eyebrows today. What led me to this point? I know the whole tinting of the eyebrows is in now and everybody getting the eyebrows tinted, but I had to ask myself, do I really want to spend 15 to 20 bucks or however much it costs to get your eyebrows done or get it tinted temporarily? So I did a little research on YouTube to see how to do a little DIY or whatever, and everybody was using this brand here. This is beard dye and I got this in the color jet black. So we're going to be experimenting with this today and we're going to see how it turns out. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos from me, and request anything you guys would like to see. Natural hair videos, makeup. I do my own eyebrows as well, because I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm putting my business out there. But one of my eyebrows is higher than the other, and that's because I was getting my eyebrows professionally done, and this one is lower because they took too much hair off. So now I've been grooming my own eyebrows and trying to get them back to being, you know, at least the same level, because one is higher than the other, being that they took too much hair off. So now I just been doing my own eyebrows, y'all. So if y'all would like to see a tutorial as far as like how I trim and groom my eyebrows, please let me know and I'll be sure to do a video like that. But until next time, y'all, peace and blessings. Y'all, tell me why I opened up this. Okay, this everything that come in the box, it's missing this. Like, I'm legit mad right now. All I get is this pamphlet. I got this right here, and I got this brush thing, and it's this thing right here, plastic. There's no product. There is no product in here. I'm going back to Walmart and I'm mad right now, and they gonna see me mad because please tell me I still got my receipt, cause y'all, I spent $8 on that. I don't know, we gonna have to find the receipt today. And I probably threw it away too. I'm so mad, y'all. Oh, I'm mad. I literally wasted my $8 on that just to receive no product. Walmart gotta do better. I'm mad. I'm mad. Hey, lovely people. Okay, so I'm back. I literally just got back from Walmart and got my money back and just went ahead and purchased another box with some product in it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this tutorial, not a tutorial, but we're gonna go ahead and get this little video started to see how this turns out. Let me just show y'all what's all in the package. So it comes with this little tray, this little plastic tray, and then it comes with some gloves, a little instruction manual, but you know we don't need this because we don't follow instructions. And then it also came with this little brush thing. We won't be using this. I'll just be using my this right here. I'll be using that. No, this right here. I'll be using that to apply the product. And then it came with the color developer as well as the color base. So I'm gonna go ahead and whip these two up real quick to see how that's done, and then I'll come back to y'all in a minute. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little skeptical if this is even gonna work, because like I said, I got this in the color jet black and this is nowhere near black. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look, but when I mix the developer and the base together, that's what I got. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this does. And like I said, I'm gonna be using this edge right here to apply it, and I should probably keep my mirror near me, but I went ahead and just dipped it in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm just applying it on, y'all. And I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I didn't use all of the product because I'm just doing my eyebrows. It's not like I'm doing my beard or anything like that. I don't have no beard. So yeah, gonna see how this turns out. So, ooh, I feel like I applied more to one end. So Oh God. So on the instructions, it said leave it in for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna come back to y'all in another 5 minutes and we'll wipe this bad boy off. So it is now 5 minutes later, and they said you're supposed to rinse it off, but obviously I'm not going to be rinsing anything off because I'm not in the shower and I'm not at my faucet. So I'm just going to be using paper towel and spraying it with some water to take this off, and just to see how it is. Let me get my mirror. I'm nervous. I'm scared. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous, y'all. Y'all, it's acting like it don't even want to come off. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Maybe I need to go get in the shower to rinse this off. It's acting like it don't even want to come off. My eyebrows was not this thick. So go ahead and take the other one off. I'm looking crazy right now. But it did darken it, I can see, but I'm looking a little crazy. But let me go ahead and keep taking this off. And I put a lot too. I put a lot on it. Y'all, I feel like I still got some left on here. It definitely did darken my eyebrows, as y'all can see. It definitely darkened them. Y'all, it actually doesn't even look bad. Like, I still have some areas that are extra dye, but y'all, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, I still got some areas like up in here, if y'all can see. Trying to wipe majority of it off. So I had went to my sink to really scrub the majority of the dye off, but y'all, it actually does not look bad at all. Like, it definitely darkened my eyebrows. Definitely darken my eyebrows. I don't think I will go back to using my pencil no time soon, depending on how long this lasts, but my eyebrows definitely was darkened. So much light. It looks good, in my opinion. It looks good. Let me dim this light a little bit so y'all can kind of see without all that glare. Yeah, that worked. That works. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace and blessings.